Hi, I'm Dr. Christina Callahan. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the wax filter and the earbud on your hearing aids. Step 1, remove the earbud. Look at how the receiver fits into the hole at the base of the ear. Step 2, carefully peel off from here without ripping the small white circular piece. What you see now is the wax filter that needs to be changed. Step 3, use this pick side to remove the old filter and then put the new one in its place like this. Step 4, put the earbud back on the receiver. Place the receiver back into the hole at the base of the earbud over both ridges. Lightly brush over it to ensure it's on securely and does not come off easily. Got questions or need help? Give us a call.